This is Rick Renner speaking from Sparkling Gems Volume 1 for July the 18th, and we're looking at the works of the flesh. And today's gem is called Strife, Seditions, and Heresies. And our scripture is Galatians 5:19 and 20, and here's what it says. Now the works of the flesh are manifest, and here they are. Adultery, fornication, uncleanness, lasciviousness, idolatry, witchcraft, hatred, variance, emulations, wrath. And today we're looking at strife, seditions, and heresies. These are works of the flesh. Well, what is strife? The word strife is a form of the Greek word eros, which means someone who wants something so bad they're vying for power and attention and position, and they're willing to get that position at the expense of someone else. The word seditions is really a Greek word which describes disloyalty. My friends, we are not called to be disloyal to those that we've made a commitment to. And the word heresies describes people who separate and form their own clique or their own group. And now we find that when you're moving in strife or sedition or heresy, these are works of the flesh, and not only do they hurt others, they will eventually also hurt you.